back, everyone, to day 2 of our English learning series. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Zero. How's it going, Zero?
Hey Emma, I'm doing great, thanks. Excited for today's episode. We're diving into some essential daily English words and phrases that will make you sound like a native in no time.
Yes, I love this topic because these are the words and phrases we use every single day. If you can master these, you'll be able to have smooth conversations with anyone.
Exactly. And you don't need to memorize a huge list, just a few key expressions that pop up all the time.
All right, let's jump in. Zero, what's the first phrase you think everyone should know?
Well, one of the most important phrases is, how's it going? It's a casual way to ask someone how they're doing. You can use it with friends, coworkers, or even people you just met.
That's such a good one. It's super common, and you don't need to say something formal like, how are you, all the time.
Right. And a casual response would be, I'm good, I'm doing well, or even just good. But you can always add more like, I'm doing great, thanks for asking.
Totally. It's a great way to keep the conversation flowing. Another phrase I love is, what's up? Or what's up with you? It's another way to check in with someone, especially if you haven't seen them in a while.
Oh, for sure. And it's super informal, so you can use it with friends or anyone you're close with. A typical response might be, not much, just relaxing, or same old, same old. Very chill.
Love that. Speaking of relaxed, what about when someone's running late or needs to cancel plans? You definitely need to know how to apologize.
That's a good point. Saying, sorry, I'm running late, or sorry, I can't make it, are really useful phrases. You can add a little more, like sorry, I got stuck in traffic, or I'm really sorry, something came up.
Those are so polite, and it shows you're being considerate. No one likes to leave people hanging, so just letting someone know what's going on is always a good move.
Definitely. Another phrase I think is super important is, can you help me with this? It's such a simple question, but can be used in so many situations, from asking a friend for a favor to needing assistance at work.
For sure. And if someone says, sure, I can help, don't forget to show gratitude with a thank you, or I really appreciate it.
Yeah, expressing thanks is a huge part of daily English. You can say, thanks so much, or I can't thank you enough.
Exactly. All right, I've got another one for you. Let's talk about take care. It's something people say when they're leaving or parting ways with someone, and it's like wishing someone well.
Yes. Take care is a nice way to say goodbye. You can also say, see you later, or catch you later. It's casual, but still kind of thoughtful.
I love catch you later. It's so laid back. And when you're talking to someone you're really close to, you could just say later in a super casual way.
Exactly. All right. One more phrase I want to bring up before we finish today's episode. It's I don't understand, or can you say that again? These are phrases you'll use all the time when learning English, especially when someone's speaking too quickly.
Definitely. I've had to use, can you say that again, more times than I can count. It's no big deal to ask for clarification, and it helps you learn faster.
For sure. And if someone's not getting what you're saying, you can always say, do you understand? Or, am I making sense? Just to check if you're on the same page.
These are all awesome phrases. If you use just these few, you'll already sound more fluent in daily conversations. Don't forget to practice them as much as you can.
Yep, the key is to use them every day, even if it feels a little awkward at first. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
All right, that's it for day 2. Hope you found today's phrases helpful. Make sure to practice them and tune in tomorrow for even more tips.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Take care, and see you soon.